The 12-quart gasket box is ideal for photos and small mementos. This item is part of a large family of gasket boxes. The gasketed seal keeps storage safe against air, moisture, dust, and critters. Tight-fitting latches help that gasket do its job, keeping the lid snug and in place and securely sealing in your belongings. Gasket boxes have deep indented lids, which means they stack securely around the home. And with clear lids and bases, you'll find what you're looking for to get in and out and on with your day. The 12-quart and 20-quart gasket boxes share a lid, which allows the shallow and deep sizes to be securely stacked together. And both sizes fit conveniently on 16-inch wire shelving, keeping your closets neat and tidy. Say goodbye to ruined belongings, seal in your goods, and seal out the bad with gasket boxes.